Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Exaware company is hiring for graduate engineer trainee through the off-campus drive. So guys, in this video we will see which batch students can apply for this job role and the job location for this graduate engineer trainee from the Exaware, and the salary, expected salary, and the eligibility criteria requirement for a candidate. These all details we will discuss in this video clearly. Before getting into the video, please subscribe to our channel for latest off-campus drives, company related information and interview experiences. And if you think our channel videos are useful to you, then please click on the button join and take a minimum amount of membership, which is helpful to improve our studio and more benefits to our subscribers also. So please take membership and support to our channel. Exaware is hiring for the graduate engineer trainee to the off-campus drive. So guys, for this job role from the Exaware for the graduate engineer training, so 2021 batch students and the 2022 batch students can apply for this job role. And this for particular graduate engineer trainee role, the job location is for both 2021 and 2022 batch students is at the Chennai, Pune and Mumbai. These locations are available for this graduate engineer trainee for 2021 and 2022. Both batch students for this same locations for both batch candidates from the Exaware. And the coming to the job functions, so engineering like the streams web and software and information technology, these streams candidates can apply for this job role. And coming to the CTC, 4 lakhs per annum. So initial 6 months you will get the 15,000 INR per month, like initial 6 months during the training period. After the training period you will get the 4 lakhs per annum, the actual salary. And guys, please remember this point, like the service agreement for 2 years and 2 lakhs. So please remember this point. If you are okay with the service agreement, then you can apply for this job role. And coming to the job description, a candidate need knowledge in programming languages, program design and development procedure, and candidate have strong working relationship with the co-workers. So this type of communication skills and all the required, it's a basic requirement for a candidate to apply for these software roles. So guys, please check all the details before applying for this job role. And we will see the hiring workflow also. So first you have to apply for through the application, like through the Superset platform. You have to apply for this Exaware job position. So after application submitting, you have to attend for the online test. So after attending the online test, if you shortlisted from the online test and you receive a mail from the Exaware which is regarding to the technical interview, then proceeded with the HR interview. If you if you crack this both the interviews, technical and HR interviews, then you get the offer letter. So guys, if you want to apply for this job role, go to the link in the description. So remember this point guys, for the 2021 batch and 2022 batch, so for both batch students the link is different. So I will give you the description also, so please read the description. Then so please click your respective link and go through the link, and you have to enter your Superset ID and password. So after entering, if you don't have account before, then please create the Superset account, then just enter your login credentials. So after entering your login credentials, you have to enter your personals and educational documents and educational details like your BTech and 10th and 12th. So this all details you have to enter, and you have to upload the resume also. So after giving all the details, just click the button submit, and the further process will communicated with through the mail from the Superset platform. You will receive the mail also after applying for this job.